Today we will learn how to write a speech and speak. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. If you like the content, please do subscribe, like, and comment. My name is Priya. First of all, a very happy Republic Day to everyone. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating our 74th Republic Day. India became a secular and democratic country on this day. कंटेंट अगर आपको पसंद आए तो चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट ज़रूर करें कि आपको कौन से टाइप के कंटेंट पसंद है. डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर ड्राफ्टेड आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day is a national festival of India. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind.